Hi, this is Willi Paul, Director of the PermacultureExchange.com. We are happy to be building relationships, bringing in job opportunities, strengthening portfolios. We are using the 3 ethics and 12 principles of permaculture as a foundation for the relationship building, and we are really excited about the transition model here that has a little bit of the old style job service and some of the new open source web-based techniques. So there's lots of ways to find work and bring in projects. Project owners can fill out an RFP that has to be vetted through the principles and ethics, and then folks can bid on projects. Folks can also simply become members, fill out an extensive profile, and then find each other and create work sort of in a grassroots way. So there's that transition strategy. The sort of old school RFP and the new way of doing things is just through email and more of a direct approach. We're not tying Permaculture Exchange to any real type of work or product. We're promoting 4 distinct types of endeavors. One is land design, which is probably more of a traditional way of looking at permaculture, and the other 3 are community building with nonprofits, business development opportunities. Perhaps someone can help build a business plan as a contractor, and the 4th is a creative writing opportunity. So we want to not limit the output or the types of work, types of jobs to a sort of traditional permaculture lens, but use the permaculture ethics and principles to influence and positively shape the outcomes from the jobs and training on the site. PermacultureExchange.com is a free site to join. It does have an extensive profile process, but that's how we actually communicate with each other. The profile is the sort of ticket and the substantive source for communicating with each other. That's how we know someone might be qualified to take on a project. So it's important that you fill out the profile as complete as possible and come back and update it frequently. So in a broad sense, we're looking for project owners who can bring work to the site, who have projects. We have a category called consultants, teachers. These are folks who are highly trained, who might take on and bid for a project and then hire some contractors to carry out, implement the work. So again, we're using RFP in a very traditional way, and bids all done through personal email. So we've stripped back the process and made it extremely simple and more direct. And people can also find work by just contacting each other, building relationships. There is a 5% support fee that goes back to the site from any contractor agreement that is signed. So I hope that you jump in, fill out a profile, and start looking at the RFPs. We will look for RFPs from both the members and from RFPs that I can find to bring in that might be of interest. Thank you very much. This is Willi Paul.